Good evening, everyone. I'm Bob Spagnoletti, and I have the pleasure of co-chairing Going the Extra Mile with my good friend Melvin White. And I'm delighted to present the second Joel A. Toubin Award to another distinguished lawyer and national leader in the struggle for legal recognition of same-sex marriage, Ted Olson. Ted Olson is a partner in Gibson, Dunn & Crutcher's Washington, D.C.'s office, a member of the firm's executive committee, and co-chair of the Appellate and Constitutional Law Group. He is one of the most prominent appellate and trial lawyers in the United States and has argued 58 cases before the Supreme Court. He has a distinguished record of government service, as well as many accomplishments in private practice. He served, among other things, as a Solicitor General of the United States and as the Assistant Attorney General in charge of the Office of Legal Counsel for the Department of Justice. He's twice been awarded the Justice Department's Edmund J. Randolph Award, its highest award for public service. And he also received the Department of Defense highest civilian award. He served in the Reagan and George W. Bush administration, but last year was appointed by President Obama to the Council of the Administrative Conference of the United States. He is a fellow of the American College of Trial Lawyers and the American Academy of Appellate Lawyers. Most notably for us, of course, is that he teamed up with David Boies, his former adversary in the Bush v. Gore litigation over the 2000 presidential election, to file a lawsuit challenging California's Proposition 8, a referendum that by a narrow margin brought discrimination against gays and lesbians into the California state constitution. Last year, Mr. Olson and Mr. Boies and their colleagues won a far-reaching victory in their case, Perry versus Schwarzenegger, a man who has a few issues of his own these days. He may want to rethink that whole marriage thing. It's a cheap shot. It's a cheap shot. But I didn't mind taking it. So going back to where I was before in the script right here, they won a far-reaching victory in their case, Perry versus Schwarzenegger, when former Chief Judge of the Northern District of California, Whitman-Walker, held that Prop 8 violated the due process and equal protection clauses of the U.S. Constitution. Judge Walker agreed that the plaintiffs had demolished every argument advanced by the Prop 8 defenders and demonstrated that the new law was based on nothing more or less than pure animus against gays and lesbians. For his efforts, Ted Olson and his partner in the litigation, David Boies, were listed among the 100 most influential people in the world by Time magazine in 2010. We can think of no one more deserving of the 2011 Joel Toubin Memorial Award than Ted Olson.